This is a final video to fix high Roblox engine latency. If you're tired of stuttering, lagging, and unplayable Roblox experiences, your search ends here, because I'm about to reveal 4 guaranteed methods that will obliterate high Roblox engine latency forever. I know how frustrating it is when your game freezes, your character teleports, and you lose precious progress. But don't worry, because the pain stops right now. We've got 4 powerful, proven techniques lined up, and I guarantee that even if the first one doesn't completely solve your issue, the subsequent methods will force your system to eliminate this frustrating latency. Your Roblox gameplay is about to transform from a nightmare into a smooth, seamless dream. I'm Rexish, and I'm here to deliver the ultimate solution. Now, pause this video, grab your mouse, and prepare to follow these exact steps on screen. Don't try to memorize them. Just focus on replicating them precisely as you see them. Let's get this done.